up this first. So this carabiner here, Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Kapcai Rideology. Okay, this week we have a special request. Thank you to one of my subscriber. Okay, his name is Arif. So Arif is asking me how do I the box, how do I tie it down to the flipping bracket. So I decided to help him and make one video just for him especially. So yeah, good for me as well. I can have a content, and then yeah, it's also beneficial for Arif, that because if I told him if I were to type it and explain to him how to tie this, I think it's not easy. So why not I just show him in visual instead. So yeah, let's see how this thing is being fixed. I'll video the whole thing for you. Okay, Bismillah. Okay, as you can see, I am using two elastic cord. One is the yellow in color, one is the orange in color. So let's take this up closer. Okay, so what is needed here? So this is the bracket, right? And two of the elastic cord, and I also use two small carabiner. This is one of it, and the blue one is another one. Okay, so with this type of tying, it still can function as a flipping bracket. Let me show you. So this is one position. So this is the second position, which is actually, okay, now it's nearer to the front. So when I sit, I can rest, right? So now the difficult part is how to tie down all this to the bracket itself. Complicated, right? But it's a very nice and secure tying. Even though it's shaky, but then it's fixed there. It won't run anyway. Okay, let's see. So I have to take out one by one then. Let's see. We'll start off with this one. This carabiner. So let me use two hands. In this view be seen. Okay, pick up this first. So this carabiner here, oh, this is harder than I thought. How to work one man show. So this up, see from this view. Flip. Let me flip it. So just now the carabiner is here. This is actually the this is just the extra securing. Oh my god, one hand show again. How do I do this? Hold on. Okay, so now I set up a stand. Now you can see here. Remove. Okay, what is this actually? This is from. So I tie the two together here. So this one all is not being used, right? So this is actually from here, right? See? Just tie it together and then tie it together, right? See? Just securing like that. So I tie two knot, then the carabiner was here and then you tie down there. So these are the extras. Okay, and then I show you the elastic band now. So one of the elastic band here, right? You see? And then you go. Oh no! How now? Yeah. Hold on, to get you a different view. Maybe from here. Is better. See this one take out. So this bag has a metal loop here, right? So it goes in there. It's a bit tight. Okay. And then if you see here, there is a hole where the starting of the band is the hole. So let's retract this out. Okay, and then it goes here. Take it out. Still the same as the tight one, exact fitting one. Okay, can we see? And then this one come over this side. Goes to another ring loop of the original bag. So it goes out here. The same size again, tight fitting. Put it out. Okay. To where this goes, we come over this side. See, it goes into the blue carabiner. And then it starts off there. So can you all get it? So you just do the same on the orange elastic band. Then you get a nicely fixed. So then now it's off. There's nothing, no need to add extra metal board or wooden board. So how? Okay now Arif, I don't know how good this video is gonna be, how beneficial it's gonna be for you, but inshallah, hopefully you understand. You can repeat and repeat this video and see, slowly copy what I do if you like how I fix it. That's about it. Just a little sharing of how I fix my grab box to the Rapido flipping bracket. Okay, I think that's it for this time. I'll be a bit busy. There's some new activity going on. Hopefully I can make it into a video. Actually, I'm flying off soon to Budapest. Yeah, I'll be making a video because I think it's something beneficial for if you like to find out how, just watch out for my coming video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So yeah, all you subbreaker of Dingamando channel out there, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. See you soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.